Okay, gents, today we got some proper bushcraft. We got the battery-powered welder. I'm going to see if I can't get a couple of pieces of metal to stuck together with, looks like I got some 8-penny nails there. And again, I wouldn't count on this thing if somebody's life was in danger, but you know, if you just needed 2 pieces of metal stuck together, could work. These things say they're supposed to be flow charged at 13.5 to 13.8. They got about 12.5 in them right now. I don't really know that much shit about fucking. They're 96 amp hour. So I'd imagine they pull a shitload of amps. Your results may vary if you're trying to weld with just a normal car battery. But I got a couple of pieces of this goobered up steel. You know, we'll make this even better. The light box I got here. We're going to see if we can weld to this here piece of pipe with a nail. And I will say, this piece of pipe has concrete in the middle of it, and I've welded to it a bunch already, just practicing. So that might give me an advantage, I don't know, because it's cooling faster, but it seems to work better on hot materials, stick welding. And we'll give it a shot. As you can see, I just got a nail in there. So it burns through a nail pretty quickly, but it's a pretty fucking good weld. Try the old hammer test. I mean, it comes off. I'll give it one more shot. I got one more bent up ass nail here. I'm gonna try going the other side and put the head down. Get a little more meat there. I don't know if I should say don't try this at home, because I'm not an expert by any means. Yeah. We got some welding or soldering flux. Let's see if that does anything. I'm going to take a goob with it, stick it on there. Maybe it'll help. It's boiling off. I think this stuff is water-based. It'll make it toxic like they used to. Okay, a little flux trying here with the nail welder. Definitely reacted more violently. Don't get a lot of wiggle room with a nail. Burns up pretty fast. Oh. small piece of lag bolt. See how that works. This is arcing between the pipe and my table. I'll try it up here. Yep, so that got this is real shitty steel. I think I pulled that out of a tree, so yeah, it really wants to stick. Let's just try a bead. Yeah, I'd say in an emergency that would work. Real fucking good. But it works. Probably gonna recheck the voltages on the batteries. Try to get charging back up. That broke right off. That just tore the metal right out. I mean, I'd say that's... I've done a bunch of practice welds on that trying to do finish stuff. You can see there's still some pieces of it on the pipe here. Welding thin sheet metal to thin sheet metal with a battery-powered arc welder probably isn't a good idea. But, yeah. In case anybody was wondering.